Question 72. Which of the following is the oldest High Court in India? Options: A. High Court of Madras, B. High Court of Calcutta, C. High Court of Delhi, and D. High Court of Allahabad. Answer to this question is B. The High Court of Calcutta, formerly known as the High Court of Judicature at Fort William, was brought into existence by the letters patent dated 14th May 1862, issued under the High Courts Act 1861, which provided that the jurisdiction and powers of the High Court were to be defined by letters patent. The High Court of Judicature at Fort Williams was formally opened on 1st July 1862 with Sir Brains Peacock at its first.